Today we have an 8.5 foot by 10 foot flat nose style concession trailer. This trailer is white for the exterior color, full metal height on the sides and rear of the trailer. We do have 24-inch ATP stone guard up front on the front flat nose and up the rounded corners. We have an extended tongue with a 36-inch tapered front generator platform. Exterior LED light for nighttime viewing. Coming around to the passenger side, we have a 3 foot by 5 foot concession window with glass and screens. We do have a flip up counter to serve off of, as well as a fold down protector while closed during transport, and 2 exterior LED lights above the window. This trailer comes equipped with one of the Dexter 5,200 pound axle with brakes, steel wheel with radial tires. All of the drive lights are LED on this trailer. Here at the back of the trailer, we have 36-inch RV style door with LED light above. To go inside the trailer, we have black rubber coin flooring throughout the trailer itself, white walls and ceilings that are aluminum, and the cabinet facing is white aluminum as well. We have our 3-bin sink here in a 3-door base cabinet. The sink features 15-inch by 15-inch drain boards on each side and 15 by 15 by 11 inches deep for each bin. GFI plug above the sink area, upper shelving. We have our 100 amp panel, all 20 amp independent circuits. Outside of that panel is a 25 foot power cord rated at 50 amps at 240 volts, and it has a NEMA 1450 style plug on it. Cable hatch in the floor to run the cable outside. We have our fuse panel for the 12 volt lighting system and our battery charger as well. Upper shelving going across the front, the L-shaped pattern to meet the window. Worktop counter here. Up front, driver's side, we have a Norlake ice cream dipping cabinet. Couple of plugs down below. Walls and ceilings are insulated also. Here at our concession window, we have counter, lower cabinet as well. I'll get it open here in just a second. Regency sink, automated by knee pedal. Sometimes these latches stick on these doors. Do apologize. Well. To work on that in just a second. Anyways, the thumb latches are supposed to open up just like that. So we have our mop sink here. 30-gallon fresh, 50-gallon waste underneath the trailer. Blowout valve, battery for the 12 volt lighting system. This cabinet behind me that I'm got to get this latch open has the water heater itself. We have our waste drain valve for the waste tank here at the rear of the trailer on the driver's side. We have our city water fill box right above the axle itself, followed by an exterior LED light. We have crank jacks here up front to help stabilize the trailer as well. We thank you for taking the time to view our video. Please feel free to give us a call at any time. We'll be glad to design the concession to fit your needs. You can reach us at 615-641-7720. Thank you.